What's up, YouTube? My name is Kenny J, and this is KennyJTV. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Feel free to browse around and check out some videos. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because we are constantly growing, and hit that bell for my latest notifications. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back to KennyJTV. And if you have not subscribed, stop the video right now and go hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell as well so you can get all of my latest notifications. Now, this video is a little different than my normal videos because one, I have partnered with Southwestern Consulting / Southwestern Coaching to bring tips and tricks to you guys to improve your sales in the insurance industry. I'm honored and I'm very appreciative to be a part of this Southwestern collaboration. We have much content coming for the rest of the year as well as next year, so stay tuned. One thing that I have gotten from different subscribers and even agents that I work with are, how do I improve my closing ratio on my internet leads? So internet leads are leads that come in from different lead sources that you use, or they may go on the website of your company and request a quote. 9 times out of 10, they don't buy, or they're just shopping around for the rate. But the method that I have for you today is guaranteed to improve your closing ratio for your internet leads. So we're going to pretend that we have someone on the phone, Miss Lisa, and she's looking for car insurance. She put her information in one of these many websites and they sent her to every insurance company and agency in whatever state you're in. So the name comes in, you give her a call. The acronym that you're going to use is CLASP, C-L-A-S-P. So the C is currently. This is when you build your rapport with the customer and you find out all the information, such as how many vehicles do you have on this policy, who are you currently insured with, how many people will be on this insurance quote, what has you looking for insurance. So you want to kind of break down, and this is more of the informal part of CLASP, and just getting to know the customer and building that trust and that rapport with the customer. The L is like. So you're pretty much asking the customer, what do you like about your current insurer? It's giving you a look to why they bought the insurance with Progressive, or why they bought the insurance with Geico. It's also letting you know what's important to them. Let's say this insurance company is big on saving customers money if they have no accidents. Like they have some type of rewards program. So let's say Progressive has a great rewards program and that's just a known thing. You're basically building up ammo to shoot back at them in order to secure that sale when it is time. It also tells you what the next company, which is hopefully your agency or the company that you work for, has to do in order to win their business as a client. The A is alter. So what would you change about your current insurer? So how I say it is, in a perfect world, if I was your fairy godfather or a genie in a bottle, and I could wave a wand and change everything that you are not satisfied with your current insurer, what would it be? And they may say something like, I hate the amount of time I have to stay on hold to speak to my agent. This is when you want to empathize with the potential client, the potential customer, and say, yeah, that sucks. Like, I know how I would feel if I were in your shoes and would have to wait, I have things to do, and what happens if I get disconnected? Sales is a transformation of emotion, and we have to bring it to the forefront. The S is signer. So Miss Smith, sounds like you make all the insurance decisions in your household. Is there anyone else that you consult with about your insurance? So if they say, yeah, my sister or my spouse or my oldest son, you want to bring them in the picture right away. You don't want to get them off the phone and they say, well, let me call you back in 3 days and then I'll let you know. You want to bring them into the picture so you're talking to them as well and you can relay the message to them without any gray areas. A lot of times, you know, if you get off the phone with somebody and you're relaying a message, sometimes it can get misconstrued. So bring the signer in right away. That does does also help a lot with life insurance. So a big rebuttal that I've seen is they'll say, well, I have to consult with my spouse, or I have to consult with my parent. And you want to be able to say, hey, you know what, let's get Miss Smith on the phone right now, or hey, let's bring your spouse in, or when is the time for us to meet where both of you guys can sit down and really go over this information and we can make a final decision right now. And P is paint the picture. Miss Smith, if I'm able to provide everything that you love about your current insurer and also list off everything that you don't or would like to change about your current insurer, would you go ahead and move forward with this policy? And naturally, they're going to say yes. So CLASP is basically a guided conversation. You want to be able to guide them to that yes that you want to hear at the end of your conversation. And once they say yes, you have that answer you're looking for, you have clasped them, and you have gotten a conceptual agreement from the customer. So that was a very, very small overview of what CLASP is. It has been proven to help insurance agents increase their closing ratio on internet leads. Personally, I'm not a big fan of internet leads. I feel like 9 times out of 10, they put their information into a website, but sent out to every agent in your state, and everybody's fighting for the business. 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, I do prefer the referral sources that typically close at a higher ratio than the internet leads. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Check out my insurance Instagram. It will be listed in the bio below for updates and tips, as well as a day in the life as an insurance agent. If you have any questions or want to reach out to me personally, my email is in the description box as well. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We are growing at a great pace and I want to keep it coming. I have some surprises coming for my channel, so definitely stay tuned. Again, my name is Kenny J, and this is KennyJTV.